Have you ever felt like you are constantly chasing opportunities, yet things never really seem to flow effortlessly? If you are a generator in human design, then there is a reason for that. Your strategy is waiting to respond. And in this video, we're diving deep into what that really means, how you can align with it, and why it holds the key to your success, energy, and fulfillment. Let's get started. What exactly is a strategy in human design? And before we explore the generator strategy, let's first define what strategy actually is in human design. So every energy type, generators, manifestors, projectors, reflectors, and manifesting generators, have a unique way of interacting with the world. If you don't know your energy type or you're not sure, I previously recorded videos about the energy types. So go back on my channel and check those out. But today I want to talk about the strategies for every energy type. And the strategy is actually the correct way for each energy type to make decisions and to navigate life with the least amount of resistance. Because when you align with your strategy, life flows with more ease and synchronicities will appear, and your energy feels more natural and a lot more fulfilling. So, if you are a generator, then your strategy is waiting to respond. But what does that actually mean? Because unlike manifestors who initiate, generators are designed to respond to life. And the key here is really to wait for something external to spark your energy. And this could be a question or an invitation or a sign or an opportunity. When something excites you, when you feel excitement deep here in your gut, that is your cue that this is for you and that you need to take action. And many generators struggle with this because society teaches us to go out and make things happen. But for generators, initiating without a clear response can lead to frustration, exhaustion, and a lack of alignment. And this is why your not self theme as a generator is frustration. So then, how do you align with your strategy as a generator in this video specifically? And how do I embrace waiting to respond in daily life? This is a very good question. So it starts by tuning into your sacral response. And I talked about this when we talked about sacral authority. This is the gut feeling in your belly when something excites you, when you feel like a or this surge of energy, then that is a yes. And if it feels like it drains you or it repels you and you feel this no, type of energy, then that is a clear no. And so your sacral response comes with these sounds, or and it is a full body experience. And whenever you're unsure, unclear, then by definition, it is also a no. Because a yes needs to be a full body energy surge, yes type of feeling. And anything but that is a no. Secondly, you need to engage with life. Because the more that you put yourself in environments where things happen, the more you have to respond to. Lastly, you need to avoid forcing things. Now, I know the excitement and I know the desire, and you've worked so hard and you've put so much in it and you want it so much. But you cannot force things because that also leads to frustration. So that means that you need to trust that the right opportunities, the right things to respond to, will come when you are in alignment. So, as a generator, you need to work on being in alignment and exposing yourself to things to respond to. So when generators wait to respond, that is when their life becomes effortless. You'll experience more flow, more synchronicities, more satisfaction, and a lot less frustration. Generators are the builders of the world. And when you follow the things that light you up, that spark joy, that spark passion, that spark energy, then you also create with passion, energy, and joy. And that is what you are here for. So, are you a generator? Have you been struggling with waiting to respond? I would love to hear your experiences, your questions. Let me know in the comments below this video. And if you want to discover your full human design blueprint and maybe also discover your gene keys, then you can grab your Be You by Design blueprint for deep insight into your energy and your purpose. The link to do that will also be below this video. And if you want to study yourself and connect with a small group of like-minded people who are on a similar journey, also diving into their human design and to their gene keys, then join my Be You by Design mastermind, where we get to explore your human design together. But if you don't like any group options and you just really want a bespoke type of solution, then you are looking for one-on-one guidance. And then I'd like to ask you to book a free clarity call with me so that we can dive into your unique design and see if we are a good match and where you are now, where you want to be, and what steps to take to get there. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like this channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on the notifications so that you will never miss any other human design content on this channel. For today, I wish you an amazing rest of your day, and I look forward to inspiring you with another video in next week's episode.